Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'll be showing you how can you fix and solve SoundCloud app offline issue. So in order to fix this, you just have to follow this simple method. Now first of all, let's understand what is actually this issue. Now SoundCloud app offline issue refers to troubleshooting issues you might encounter when you're trying to listen to SoundCloud on your device without an internet connection. Now usually it means you need to ensure you have a SoundCloud subscription or a premium account, and the tracks that you want to listen to are properly downloaded for offline access. Now in order to fix it, what you need to do is, first of all, you could try upgrading or get a subscription. So for that, you want to go to the upgrade button when you're logged into your account at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and then you want to go ahead and click on see all plans and make sure to get the plan that's according to your budget. And once you've done it, so you should be able to fix it as well. If it does not seem to be this issue, then what you could also do is you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, you could just simply long press the application, go to this I button or the app info section, and next thing you want to do is go to storage and cache. While you're on this page, go ahead and click on clear cache, and along with that, what you also want to do is go ahead and click on app details. So when you go to this app detail, make sure to check whether the app needs to be updated or not. After which, you could also try restarting your device. That should also be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could go ahead and contact the support team. You could go to the website and then type in SoundCloud contact, and then you could go ahead and submit your request or maybe your ticket, and they'll look into your matter. So these are some of the ways to fix your SoundCloud app offline issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.